Ever wondered if you could unlock the power of HubSpot without breaking the bank? You're not alone. So many businesses, especially startups and smaller enterprises, are looking for effective tools to manage their marketing, sales, and customer service, but budget is always a consideration. The question on everyone's mind is HubSpot meeting free? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, HubSpot is a big name in the CRM and marketing automation world. They offer a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help businesses grow. But comprehensive often translates to expensive, right? Well, not entirely. That's the beauty of HubSpot's approach. They understand that businesses are at different stages with varying needs and budgets. So they offer a range of options, including, yes, a free CRM. Let's unpack this. The core of HubSpot's free offering is their CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System. Think of a CRM as the central hub for all your interactions with customers and potential customers. It's where you store contact information, track deals, manage communications, and get a holistic view of your customer journey. And HubSpot's free CRM is surprisingly robust. With the free CRM, you can store up to 1 million contacts. That's a massive amount of space, perfect for businesses just starting out or those with a smaller, more focused customer base. You can also add unlimited users, which is a huge advantage. Many other platforms limit the number of users on their free plans, forcing you to upgrade as your team grows. Not HubSpot. They want you to bring your whole team on board from the get-go. So what can you actually do with HubSpot's free CRM? Quite a lot, actually. You can manage your contacts, organize them into lists, and segment them based on different criteria. This allows you to personalize your marketing efforts and target the right message to the right audience. You can also track deals and manage your sales pipeline. This gives you visibility into your sales process and helps you identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Beyond contact and deal management, the free CRM also includes some valuable marketing tools. You can create and manage forms to capture leads, track website activity to understand how visitors are interacting with your site, and even send basic email marketing campaigns. While the email marketing functionality in the free CRM is limited compared to their paid plans, it's enough to get you started and nurture your leads. Now, here's where the free meeting aspect comes into play. HubSpot doesn't offer a completely free, unlimited meeting platform in the same way that, say, Zoom might. However, the free CRM integrates with other meeting tools, allowing you to schedule and track meetings within the CRM itself. So, while the meeting platform might be a third-party tool, the management and tracking of those meetings happen seamlessly within HubSpot's free CRM. For example, you can integrate your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar with HubSpot. This allows you to schedule meetings directly from HubSpot, and those meetings will automatically sync with your calendar. You can also track meeting attendance and follow-up activities within HubSpot, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. So, while HubSpot doesn't offer a standalone free meeting platform, the integration with other tools and the ability to manage meetings within the free CRM effectively gives you a free meeting management solution. Now, let's talk about the limitations of the free CRM. While it's incredibly powerful for a free tool, it does have some restrictions. As your business grows and your needs become more complex, you might find that you need more advanced features. This is where HubSpot's paid plans come in. The paid plans offer a wider range of features, including more sophisticated marketing automation, more advanced sales tools, and enhanced customer service capabilities. For example, the free CRM has limitations on the number of marketing emails you can send per month. The paid plans remove these limitations and offer more advanced email marketing features, like A/B testing and automated workflows. Similarly, the free CRM has basic reporting and analytics. The paid plans provide more in-depth reporting and analytics, giving you deeper insights into your marketing and sales performance. They also unlock features like predictive lead scoring and custom reporting. Another key difference is customer support. While HubSpot offers extensive documentation and community forums for all users, paid customers get access to direct support from HubSpot's team. This can be invaluable when you're facing a technical issue or need help setting up a complex workflow. So, is HubSpot meeting free? Not in the sense of a standalone, unlimited meeting platform. However, The free CRM allows you to manage and track meetings effectively through integrations with other meeting tools. And the free CRM itself is a powerful suite of tools that can help you manage your contacts, track deals, and even run basic marketing campaigns. It's a fantastic starting point for businesses that are just starting out or those with limited budgets. As your business grows, you might outgrow the free CRM. But that's a good problem to have. It means your business is succeeding. And when that time comes, HubSpot offers a range of paid plans that can scale with your needs. The beauty of HubSpot's approach is that they let you start for free, learn the platform, and grow your business. Then, when you're ready, you can upgrade to a paid plan and unlock even more powerful features. It's a smart strategy that benefits both HubSpot and its users. So, if you're looking for a free CRM that can help you manage your contacts, track deals, and run basic marketing campaigns, HubSpot's free CRM is definitely worth considering. It's a powerful tool that can help you get started and grow your business without breaking the bank. And the ability to manage meetings through integrations makes it a viable free meeting management solution as well. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.